is connect these seam edges, which splits the hand in two, and create a geometry across that. It will initially look funny at first, but we can add loops later. The most important thing is that you get that structure in first, like we did with the finger, and you can test if you're doing it right. So you just hold control and make sure that this lovely loop goes all the way down the center. Okay, so we've got these loops, and just double check that they lead along the bottom of the knuckle joint that we created here. And next what we're going to do is connect the thumb, so it leads across this piece of skin all the way back to the other center half of the thumb. I like to extrude both the edges and then connect them together. Okay, so now we've got that basic structure. We're going to continue it up to the wrist. So while I'm doing this, I'm trying to imagine exactly where the center of the thumb is going to be, where that bone leads up. Going to make it fall short just there, just in case we need to put in additional loops. So we'll do all this connection a bit later. Okay, now we're going to do in between the fingers. So if you imagine we're trying to suit the surfaces, when it comes to the knuckle, you've got this sort of big surface, which is either side of the knuckle. And then you've got this center joint that basically splits and provides the V shape. So what you want to do is basically replicate this inside of the geometry. And then obviously we get natural pinching of the vertices. So it might be an idea that we can turn those into tries.